how you can fix Bluetooth device not working on Windows 11. What's up everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video where I'm going to show you if your Bluetooth device is not working on Windows 11. But before we begin, make sure to head down below to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on new videos. Let's begin. First thing first, you want to open your phone settings. So just go ahead and search for control panel here. Once you open your control panel, you will see different options right here like network sharing. So just click on it. So just find your network and just click right here. Now from here, what you want to do is click on the left side of your screen that says advanced network sharing. So just click right here. And now you just want to make sure that your network discovery is turned on. So just toggle this button right here and click on all networks. You do the same for other things as well right here. Make sure all of these is turned on, and finally head over to your private network and then make sure that this is turned on as well. Alright, so this is the first method. The second method that you want to do is open your settings once again, and from here head over to system, and if you scroll down you'll see troubleshoot. And from here you can see recommended troubleshoots. So click on other troubleshooters and you will see different options right here. So just go ahead and run the Bluetooth troubleshoot. So just run it. It will check if there are any possible problems on your device. So it will quickly check if there are any problems on your device. So if there is not, then it won't show you anything. But if there is a problem, then it will ask you to fix the problem itself. So you just have to allow it to fix the problem. So here it is. If there is any problem on your device, it will ask you to fix it. Mine is running okay, so I don't have any problem here. So that's all right. Then the third method that you want to do is just head over to your Bluetooth settings. So click on Bluetooth and devices, and from here just click on add device. Now you just try to manually add a device here and see if that works. And the final method is you just have to open your device manager right here. So just search for device manager, and now just go ahead and click on batteries and make sure to update this driver. So you can just scan for hardware changes. Right click on this AC adapter and then click on update driver. You can browse on your PC. So click on next. Click on this search for Windows updates. So just right click and click on update driver, search automatically, and see if there are any available updates. If not, then you're good to go. And that's how you can fix if your Bluetooth device is missing on your Windows. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.